In this video help, we're going to cover the data portal in the bookings and billing screen and explain what this is used for. Let's bring it up first of all. Before I do that, I want to go back over and get an actual record in there. So I'm going to go and drop into this one, come back. You can see now that it's changed where there's an image in the middle of the screen. On this side, there's a narrative of how to use the actual screen for functionality from the standpoint of working with the data that's in here. You can pull it up and you can see that you can add multiple images in here. So you can have a number of them in there. What's the purpose of the screen? In a business where you have things that have to be copied for one reason or another, let's just take an example. Maybe you want to get a driver's license image of somebody's driver's license, or maybe you want to take an image of their actual, maybe a bill or something they're bringing in to have a receipt or something paid for. This is for basically for your company to keep track of different paperwork that is coming in that you need to keep for that particular client's record that you're working within. And you can have a number of them. If you have, say, for example, your tickets you're going to give out to somebody, and you want to make sure, say, it's for an attraction, and you want to make sure that those tickets were documented, you can take a snapshot with your iPhone or your iPad and put the image in here, and then put a little special note over here about what they were for. And that way, if somebody comes in and they say they didn't get all the tickets that they were supposed to, you would have an image to replace those tickets that were missing, or you can track down if they were actually used at that event, and maybe somebody is just trying to haul something on you. And you can also do website images. For example, if you put a website into this screen right here, and then you click Go to URL, it will take you to that website. If you have something that was taken from a website, like an image, say for example, it's a picture of a watercraft that you want to have the website for, but then again you want to have the image of the water thing. When you're looking at an image on a website, if you right mouse click on it, what it does, it normally brings down a dialog similar to this, and one of the options you have is copy image URL. If you copy that image URL and then come back over to this screen, you can paste it into this area where it says go to URL. And then when you click on this, what it's going to do is it's going to go to that URL, but then you can paste the image in here for that particular thing that you want to. But this will take it from the insert the URL, it will push it into the screen of the item for that particular URL image. So you have the option to either copy it or and put its URL in here, or just put the URL in here and then say insert, and it'll put that image in automatically. And that way it'll keep up. If it's changed, it'll keep up with the URL that is upgraded. Now this is another thing you can do over here where this says Data Portal Large. If you click on this, it's going to go into the actual data portal, which is for the images and photos. And this is the individual record that you're reading now. Yet what it does is it blows up the image to a larger size so you can see it with more clarity and a larger view. The next thing you can do over here is you can read, and you can see that you can insert a picture and graphic by putting the graphic in here, and that's the same URL used to open a URL. It also tells you the size of the image. You want to keep your image sizes down. You don't want to say, for example, a megabyte or more is about where you want to be, but you don't want, in this case it's 8.3. I'm talking about you can get pictures pretty darn large where they're almost several megabytes in size, and you don't really want to do that. Keep your size down so you don't overload your space on your device. Okay, if you have any questions, as usual, just contact us through the website at the developer's website. Thank you.